tablet is something that I see as a secondary unit that I would be carrying if I wanted to watch a movie, play games, or do a video call on a much bigger screen. And because I would not be carrying it on a regular basis, I want it to be affordable and efficiently can deliver what I wanted it to give. A few weeks ago, I discovered about this Android entry-level tablet called the Huawei Mediapad T3 8 inches. Hi, this is Rodolfo Liz, and welcome to Nugnug in the City Unboxing. The Mediapad T3 8 inches is one of the products Huawei has launched last 2017 in other countries and has only been available here in the Philippines last December 2019. And ever since I've heard about it, I have my eye on this gadget, not just because of its capability, but most especially its price point for only 6,490 pesos. I have a feeling that this gadget would be a suitable alternative to the much higher price pad for specific use for the kids and the young ones. So basically, I am expecting a much longer usage in a more compact gadget. But before we start using it, let us first do the actual unboxing. The Huawei Mediapad T3 8 inches comes in only one color, the space gray. Each box includes the actual unit, a charger, USB cable, an eject tool, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. At first look, this unit actually is very similar to its bigger brother, the Mediapad T310. And same with the latter, there is no USB Type-C port. Instead, it uses a standard micro USB connector for device charging located at the lower side of the unit. All the other buttons can be found on the right side. That includes the audio rocker and the power button. At the lower end of the power button, there is a slot where you can insert a micro SD card. A SIM card can only be used to the LTE version of it. At the top right, a 3.5mm jack can be inserted. The unit is also capable to produce decent sound using its front speaker, especially for the usual phone conversation or YouTube videos, but not really enough to fill a big room. The Huawei Mediapad T3 8 also got front and rear cameras with 2 megapixels and 5 megapixels respectively. Decently okay for video chats, but not really that useful in other purposes. The unit is made from metal materials and is approximately 350 grams in a 7.9mm body. It actually felt really solid that I am hoping it can withstand simple drops and bumps, especially when used by kids. What I really like about this unit is its long battery life, which can last for 1.4 days of intense usage or more than 2 days on a regular use. The Mediapad is also equipped with Snapdragon 425 processor, an Android 7.0 Nougat, and quad-core 1.4 GHz Cortex A53 CPU. Now let's talk about its performance. I was able to try the unit and installed a few games already, from the simple Candy Crush to a higher kind of games like Mobile Legends. With this kind of unit, I think it would be hard to handle graphic-centric games, so I skip on doing that. After a few usage, I felt that the unit is reliable enough to be used for these games, but felt a bit slow when loading heavy apps. Browsing simple sites wouldn't be a problem. Also, satisfaction can be achieved in reading ebooks. For the Huawei Mediapad T3 filters the blue light out for a more comfortable reading. The unit is actually straightforward and easy to use. It also got a combined notification panel and split screen mode. Also, the Huawei Mediapad T3 8 is perfect for the whole family. There's an app called Kids Corner already installed in the unit. Parents can also control and use the password setting for apps not suited for the kids. All in all, the Huawei Mediapad T3 is a very decent entry-level tablet that is perfect for light work and entertainment. It is a suited unit for kids who just wanted to watch YouTube videos or play basic games. And with its performance and capabilities, I think its price range is just right on the pocket. The Huawei Mediapad is now available here in the Philippines for only 6,490 pesos. For more lifestyle and travel blogs, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and of course, put a thumbs up on this video. Until next time, this is Rodolfo Liz of Nugnug in the City, signing off.